Okay, today's lesson is a mini grammar lesson wrapped in a little mini story. Today we're going to follow Priya's story and learn how to start sentences with a gerund. What's a gerund? That ing verb. It can start a sentence. It can actually do anything a noun does. Let's dive right into Priya's story. Meet Priya. She wants a better job. Priya has worked at the same warehouse for 3 years. The pay is okay, but she's tired. She wants something better, an office job with regular hours and real benefits. One morning, her friend Adam texts her, "Hey, my company is hiring. You should apply." Priya is excited, but also nervous. She hasn't written a resume in years. She doesn't feel confident about her English in interviews. A gerund looks like a verb, but it acts like a noun, specifically the subject of a sentence. It can start a sentence just like a noun does. The pattern is gerund and then the rest of the sentence. Applying for a new job takes courage. Why use it? Native English speakers use gerunds in speech all the time. We use it in conversations, in emails, in interviews. It is a higher, more elevated use. So it sounds better than I as a subject. It's really more elegant. Try it. Priya's story the night before. Priya sits at the kitchen table after a long shift. She opens her laptop and stares at her old resume. Her roommate Sam walks in and grabs a snack. Sam asks, "What are you doing?" Priya, "Updating my resume is harder than I thought." "Ha, writing about yourself is always weird," Sam says. "Listing my skills makes me feel like I'm bragging." "That's the point. Bragging a little is totally normal on a resume," Sam says. Notice how each green word is a gerund starting the sentence. Each one is the subject, the main thing being talked about in that sentence. More examples from Priya's week. As Priya prepares for her interview, gerunds pop up everywhere in her life. Practicing pays off. Practicing my answers in front of the mirror feels silly, Priya says, but it actually helps. Choosing wisely. Choosing the right outfit for an interview is stressful. Learning about the company helps. Talking to Adam about the company gave me more information and confidence. Arriving 10 minutes early shows that you are serious about the job and respectful of time. 2 things that are important in a job interview. The big day. Interview day. Priya walks into the office, shakes the manager's hand, and sits down. Her heart is pounding. Partway through the interview, the interviewer asks, "Why should we hire you?" Priya takes a breath and says, "Working at a busy warehouse taught me how to stay organized under pressure. Solving problems quickly is something I'm really good at." Did Priya get the job? The interviewer smiles. 2 days later, Priya gets the call. Yes, she got the job. When she tells Sam, he laughs and says, "See, bragging a little worked out just fine." Starting a sentence with a gerund makes you sound natural, more confident, and clear. Exactly what you need in a job interview. Your turn. Answer in the comments if you like. Finish this sentence using a gerund. Is the best way to improve your English. Drop a one-word answer in the comments below. There's no wrong answer. I would love to hear what works for you.